Sit back, relax. You're about to discover a new opportunity. An opportunity that can reshape your future. It's as American as mom, baseball, and apple pie. Full of fun, excitement, and best of all, everyone's a winner. Like Walt Disney, MGM, or Warner Brothers, you'll bring smiles to the faces of the public and laugh all the way to the bank. What you're about to discover is so great, it can only be compared to owning a string of parking meters on a busy street, or even owning a row of toll booths where every lane is an automatic teller, because there are no employees. What a dream, an investor's dream. Within 30 days, you can be in business for yourself and begin making money immediately. QLT Merchandising presents Oscar's Wild Ride, the first action-packed interactive gumball machine that talks, flashes, jumps, bounces, moves, leaps, runs, and screams. A ground floor breakthrough opportunity based upon a 100-year-old proven success story. Let's follow Oscar on his magical journey.
Oscar's my name and fun's my game. Whoa! This beats Disneyland any day. Okay, beam me up, Scotty. Oh, if Mom could see me now. Up, 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 up. Wow! Yeah! Get me down, get me down. Wow, that was great. Let's do it again. My name's Oscar. Thanks for the ride. This gets me dizzy. Oh, wow, man, what a rush. Oh, radical, dude. Wow. Watch me go. Way cool. One more time.
What excitement, no matter what your age. It's like going to an adventure movie where your eyes are glued to the screen, like riding a Disneyland ride, a fantasy game, a high wire act. Let's do it again. Oscar's exciting, fun, stimulating, sensational, and thrilling. It's an action adventure with a prize, the Gumball. If Oscar were an actor, he'd win an Oscar. Drop in the quarter, turn the handle, on your mark, get set, go! Viewers grin from ear to ear as Oscar electrifies them with enjoyment. Almost like an obsession, a narcotic, Oscar's addicting. Oscar's Wild Ride is a crowd pleaser and attracts people of all ages, from 2 to 92. Everybody loves Oscar. It's a full-packed 30-second show with a chewy reward, and you reap the profit. Owning an Oscar is no wild ride. It's a calculated, methodical road to riches. It's security. Just place an Oscar anywhere there are people. It's a people magnet and the world's fastest collector of quarters. And unlike any other gumball machine, Oscar greets shoppers. Oscar's voice can be personalized with messages custom tailored for its location. Oscar may call out, "Welcome to Kmart," or "Welcome to Walmart." Be sure to see our anniversary sale. This is an attention getter, teasing the passerby. Oscar will increase the store's sales. Just watch the cash flow increase every time Oscar says, "Welcome." QLT Merchandising Corporation manufactures Oscar in the USA at its plant in Salt Lake City, Utah. QLT is your velvet slide to success. After all, you can't spell quality without QLT. And that's what QLT's family of companies stands for. Quality business opportunities for people seeking a fresh, tested, and success-proven means to financial independence and security. QLT's outstanding reputation has grown steadily since our founding 20 years ago for one simple reason. Thousands of satisfied and successful QLT entrepreneurs have placed their faith and trust in QLT. Back in the 70s, QLT's founder and president, Sam Candace, introduced the world's first computer portrait system at age 47. Based on NASA space technology, there are more than 5,000 of these businesses in operation today, accounting for hundreds of millions of dollars in business worldwide. If you've ever had your picture taken and transferred onto a t-shirt, coffee mug, keychain, button, apron, calendar, or other gift item, chances are you've met a successful QLT business operator. Today, QLT occupies 25,000 square feet near Fort Lauderdale, 40,000 square feet in Manhattan, and employs over 100 dedicated people ready to help you succeed. A word from our president, Sam Kendis.
Going into business can be a tough decision. Believe me, I know. When I started QLT in 1977 in the computer portrait business, I not only was going into business, I was a pioneer. There was no such thing as the computer portrait industry. And it's paid off. It's paid off very well for over 5,000 QLT owners. But this business, this Oscar, this is something entirely different. You see, vending is a proven $32 billion a year business. Gumballs are a proven business. Gumballs are a proven money maker. And when I got that call from Salt Lake, and I went there, and I bought the rights to manufacture it from the inventor, I can't tell you how good I felt. You see, computer portraits takes up your time. It's a hands-on business. Oscar is an absentee business. And the reason I've gone into it, here I am on the north side of 65, pushing 70, is because, let me tell you, I know a winner when I see it. There's nothing like it. It's as revolutionary as computer portraits were when they first started. No one else has Oscar. You can be the first one.
One of the great advantages of Oscar is the simplicity of finding good locations. Our market research indicates there are more than 300,000 potential locations in the United States alone. Malls, movie theaters, grocery stores, billiard parlors, arcades, restaurants, video stores, flea markets, swap meets, drag meets, amusement parks, skating rinks, bars, airports, bowling alleys, pizza parlors, retail stores, bus and train stations, fairs and carnivals, rodeos, tourist attractions, kiddie parks, and social clubs, to name a few. Locating your Oscar is simple. You may decide to do it yourself or hire a professional location company to do it for you. Maintaining your Oscar gum dispensing machines are a snap. Stop by once or twice a month and exchange the heavy bucket of quarters with an empty one. Fill it with about 6,500 gumballs, wipe it down with window cleaner and paper towels, and go on your way to the next location, or to the bank. What could be easier? Does the idea of becoming a truly independent business person, free of the pressures that most folks are under most of the time, really appeal to you? Then take that first action step toward becoming an Oscar owner and call the number on the outside of this videotape. That call can start a beautiful relationship. So pick up the phone and call the number on the outside of this tape and say, yes, I want to be financially independent. Yes, I want a ground floor opportunity to be at the right place at the right time. Yes, I want to join the elite QLT family of business owners. Yes, I want the revenge that success would offer. Yes, I want to ride QLT's proven formula for success. Call now.
See, mine shows you in the window when you're playing. whole bunch. You're skipping a whole bunch. Trying to get something for nothing.
Yeah, I already gave him an order to get another one. Or
Turkey, but
My dad was, that was a thought too. My dad said, well, what's to prevent someone just coming in with a hand truck and carrying water?
that could happen, but it's just like all my video games. I never had anybody take one of them down. When my route, I used to have route 1 and 2 to take over. All the way back down to the side.
Oh, yeah.
And a video game is about half of it.
You know, I should have tracked that counter this morning.
Yeah, that would have been good. Well, you count the money tonight.
Yeah. Last night was $68.
Yeah. Did that surprise you?
A little bit, yeah.
Should have done.
But smart. I forgot about that counter. I should have just looked at it this morning and I could have figured it out.
Yeah. But tonight, you take that good reader.
I see why that's smart. I sent one of the employees to go pick up money.
John, I'll bring you down one of my tickets and show you how it works. You're all right. I'm going to see if Gary won't come down tomorrow and just put a tripod right here.
Yeah?
Just put a tripod right here and let it run. Just let it run. Yeah, see, our best day in Smith's was $60.
Oh, really?
And you did that in about 5 hours. That's a 24-hour shift.
I'm wondering because I emptied it last night, and when I got there this morning, the bottom was already full. And I opened up this morning, and I had it in the garage or something last night.
Yeah, putting money in it.
And I haven't opened it yet today. It's been a steady stream all day.
Yeah, I had some of the people that we shipped to. Yeah. You can imagine when you get back and go on I mean, you have 20 of those out here.
Yeah, I know.
Almost.
Forget anything I'm doing.
Yeah, just put
I'm seriously thinking about that too.
Are you?
Yeah. I'm sick of this stuff. You know, I'm thinking too, like, even here, every show that they ever have.
Yeah.
So, cause I noticed even the grown-ups, lots of grown-ups are skipping.
But they do, though, don't they?
Oh, yeah.
They do.
Let me find my glass for you.
That's why it's hard to quit.
No, it's not all along. I memorized it perfectly.
Yeah, like they go.
Oscar's my name. No, I said Oscar's my name and money's my game.
So we ought to have one there.